Yo, here's what it is. It's cut day. About to head to the gym. We're gonna do some beast the fuck out. We're gonna do some deads today. We do some legs, liggy, and we're gonna try to do some serious fucking mean cardio, half hour fucking torturous cardio, and I want to do some guns. I try to do legs and buys, so I'm gonna do some guns. I'm gonna fucking do some legs, and I'm gonna pull bitches. So we're gonna pull today. This is the half before we head to the gym. All right. Ain't got my partners with me, whatever. But solo. Gotta fly solo sometimes. It fucking sucks. I hate flying solo sometimes because you get a routine with the momentum going. You know, like you go, your man goes. You know what I'm saying? You got actually cycle up energy. Then just the energy is great. You know what I'm saying? So, it's your man X, we about to hop up out of here, run to do some gym workouts Friday. Got to work tomorrow, so try to do this, then do the PT again tomorrow, and we'll try to sneak in again for some more fucking gym in Brooklyn. Though we're gonna go to Richie's. All right, later.